Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some common sea creatures in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these sea creatures together. Please give it a try. Octopus, octopus, octopus. Oyster, oyster, oyster. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Salmon, salmon, salmon. Sea lion, sea lion, sea lion. Sea otter, sea otter, sea otter. Sea turtle, sea turtle, sea turtle. Sea urchin, sea urchin, sea urchin. Seahorse, seahorse, seahorse. Seal, seal, seal. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations would help us greatly. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.